Okay, I actually just had me another interview. So if you saw the last video, which I doubt a lot of people did, not gonna lie, that bitch didn't get a whole lot of traction. In my last video, I had mentioned about how I wanted to get a job working at Subaru. I went to the interview for that day, and then today I had an interview with Chevy. Originally it was on Friday, but I talked to the guy and I was like, yo, like I just had an interview with Subi. We need to hop on this like yesterday because I do want to work at Chevrolet. That happened, and again, honestly, I don't know how I feel, to be honest. I feel like I tanked it, but at the same time I didn't. I don't know, it's weird. It was a two-parter interview. The one guy interviewed me, and then his buddy came in to interview me afterwards. I have really mixed feelings about it because it feels like the first guy was kind of like, yeah, you got it, but you don't got it. And then the second guy was like, yeah, bro, like you're a hire, because he was telling me like we're gonna do a background check. If the background check clears, I'm gonna give you a call. I don't know about you, but I haven't set any buildings on fire as of recently, so I see no reason why something should pop up on my background check. So can I go this way? Woo! You can probably hear it, but the exhaust sounds hella different. It doesn't sound as beefy. I can kind of explain that. If you've been following my videos for however long, I guess you could say I didn't really start get somewhat decent audio until I got my MT-03. And the minute that I got my MT-03, like not even within 2 or 3 days of owning it, I changed the exhaust, right? After changing the exhaust, dude, I could not figure out what was messing with my audio so bad. Like my audio is good when I had the clutch in, and bad when I revved it, and I just couldn't figure out what it was. Come to find out, I guess the exhaust that I had, the SC Projects one, it's so loud inside of the helmet that it just fucks up the audio. All right, we're gonna pass this guy. Ready? 3, 2. Woo! But so the exhaust was so bad, or so not bad, it was just so loud that it was causing the mic to spike, which really sucked because I really like that exhaust. Because of the exhaust being so loud and messing with the camera, I unfortunately had to remove it. So we are back to the stock exhaust. Should we make a pass on this guy? Like nothing. Oh my god. Something that I wanted to try, I'm not sure if I mentioned this in my last video, but obviously you can tell at this point, I wanted to start putting captions on my video to sort of, I guess, make it more work for me, which is fucking something you would never hear somebody say. And also just because I feel like at times it might be kind of hard to hear me. I don't know. This is like my first real setup with this helmet. Or not with this helmet, but with this exhaust and this helmet setup. So hopefully it's not too bad to where I have to add captions. And if it is, then I quit YouTube. It seems like ever since I started like doing moto vlogging, dude, I don't know how these guys do it. Like these guys are doing this shit and they have perfect, crisp, clear audio. And I can't figure my shit out. Like I looked at like Reddit posts and shit, like, yo, like what do I do? How do I get it? And a lot of people are saying like, bro, it's always just trial and error. And I give props to the guys that go out, test it, stop it, fix it, test it, stop it, fix it. Like I can't do that shit. I go out, I record a video. If it's trash, then it's trash, you know? I'm not gonna lie though, I mean, it's weird having the stock exhaust back on. It really is. Like at times it's docile, and then when you gas it, it feels like that aggression comes back, you know? But I don't know. I am in the works of trying to get a new exhaust. So once that comes, I mean, hopefully it changes the output. You may know, some people may know what this means, some people may not know what it means. So the exhaust that I had was a SC Project CRT. It's a really good exhaust, I'm not gonna lie. Like this shit, I'm happy with the way the bike sounds. But I think because the opening is so huge, it's just so much louder. The opening on the CRT is 70 something millimeters. I'm not gonna lie, being behind this truck is fucking scary. Imagine if you just like crashed and your neck just hit that shit, bro, you'd be dead. Damn, I smell that truck, goddamn. But the exhaust opening on the SC Project exhaust is like 70 something millimeters, and I think the opening on the new one that I want to get, I think it's roughly like 50. So I'm not sure if 20 millimeters is a huge difference. I hope it is, because I don't want to buy the stock exhaust. I really don't. Like, I wasted like $200 on an exhaust that I basically can't use. I feel like at times I probably will still use it, I just won't be able to film it, and I don't really mind that, because it only takes about a solid like maybe 15-20 minutes to change out the exhaust, so not that bad, you know. Something tells me that I didn't hit record. I really hope I did hit record, because if not, I'm gonna be very, very upset. Okay, I thought I didn't hit record. God damn, that shit would have sucked. Oh my god. All right, we gotta hustle and muscle. Honestly, I just want to get home and go on about my day. I am actually excited to get home because I think I should have 2 packages waiting for me. I should have my new front fender, and then I'm gonna sound like a little fucking bitch, but and then my little pods. Oh my god, is that it? Dude, I think that might be an M6 or an 8 series. Holy shit, that's a nice Beamer. It is hot today. Oh my god. Crack my visor real quick. Holy shit. I wonder how many miles I have on this bike, because I think an oil change is coming up soon. Wow, our average is like 30 miles per gallon. That's not bad. Oh, it's coming up. Why is this guy going so slow? Yo, you good, homie? Sheesh. Hell yeah. Why am I like again, bro? I keep doing this shit all the time. As I was saying, so I have 2 things waiting for me at home. So the first one is my front fender. Dude, I'm so amazed at how we fucking cracked our front fender. I'm so fucking lost. I think in the last video, you really can't tell. Once I get home, I'm gonna take a picture of it, and I'm gonna try to get a photo of me like separating the pieces so you can see. You can hear it in the first video, but you can't see it. And then the second thing that I have waiting for me in the mail, I'm gonna sound like a little bitch, but it's whatever, is some jewel pods. I got cucumber, and then I got berry. The thing that sucks about where I get my jewel pods is that I get them from Canada, but I mean they still come like relatively pretty quickly, so I don't really mind that much. I think I ordered them sometime like last midweek, and they're like already about to be here, so I don't really mind that much. We gotta get gas soon. Damn, somebody back there smoking that. Dang, goddamn. I'm not sure when it's gonna come, but I gotta get some new tires. Something that I noticed with this bike as opposed to my other bike is this one obviously has more power, and I noticed that from time to time I'll wheel spin the shit out of it, and I know it's gonna eat up my fucking tire. Let's see what time stamp we're at. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say that we're probably at like a solid like maybe 7-8 minutes. Something else that I should probably address is I've been saying for the past month that the first video of May was probably going to be one of the biggest, because it was going to be me teaching my cousin how to ride. Yeah, unfortunately that's not happening. We did go out on Sunday, but there are some things that we did first. Like we worked out over at the art museum. So we worked out on the stairs a little bit, and then afterwards we went out for like brunch with some of his friends and shit. And I guess the only train that he could book, because he lives in New York, was around like 5 o'clock-ish. We unfortunately did not have the time to go out and for me to teach him how to ride a motorcycle. So that unfortunately sucked. However, now that I have plates, I can obviously go out of the downtown area, and I can link up with the garage boys. So that should be fun. And the good thing is that their garage surprisingly, they can keep up with my bike because they modded the fuck out of it. And I think their bikes do like a solid like fucking 80, which is crazy. Like, what the fuck? Now, I'm assuming that that's on a good day, but that's still pretty fucking crazy. Ooh, we got a big ass little highway. Hell yeah. You ready? 3. Hell yeah. Okay, finally we're back into the city. Hopefully that shit wasn't too bad. If it is, I'll just cut it. And if I do cut it, then I was basically on the highway and that shit was loud. Don't look at the hobo, don't look at the hobo, don't look at the hobo. Damn, somebody's smoking that dang dang. God damn. Somebody over there smoking that dang dang. Better give me some black. Oh man, that was a good ass little ride though, I'm not gonna lie. I can't record when I go on the highway, which kind of sucks. Either that or I just need a better camera placement. Because this one, it actually kind of like hangs underneath my helmet, so it's kind of hard to like to tuck in fully without it like hitting, you know. Alright, well, I'm like 2 blocks away from my house. I'm gonna go ahead and put on this fender. Hopefully it's the matte version. I really hope it's the matte version. But if not, I mean, that's whatever. A new fender is better than a cracked fender. I'm going to go do this. I am Dallas. As always, please leave a comment. Go ahead and throw a subscribe if you want. And if you would like, you can go ahead and throw a like, letting me know that you like the video. Helps out the algorithm. And I will catch you guys. Peace.